Now, here's your forecast first from Fox 11 severe weather expert Patrick Powell.
A little bit of light rain in scattered areas for the eastern sections of our viewing area. Northwest still seeing a little bit of wet snow, and it's really not making a big push towards the east, the rain snow line at least. We are seeing the precipitation move through, but the temperatures have been fairly stagnant. I'm going to go ahead and show you this loop. You can see everything kind of working off towards the northeast. And eventually this is going to break up. I think scattered precipitation will continue through about midnight, maybe as long as 1 a.m. for the northeast corner of the area. 39, cloudy skies right now in Green Bay. Haven't seen any precipitation here as of yet. Winds south at 6 miles an hour. Dew points at 32. Don't be surprised to see a little bit of light rain moving through over the next few hours. Maybe a few wet snowflakes mixed in. But temperatures to about 33 by tomorrow morning, 40 at noon, and then 43, mostly cloudy tomorrow afternoon. So right now, severe weather index in low category. A little bit of light rain, especially for the vast majority of our area. Snow to the northwest, where you could see a little bit of a dusting on grassy areas, especially up near Anago and Mountain and Northwest. Right now, 38 in Oshkosh, dew points at 30, winds out of the south at 5 miles an hour. You can see the rain moving towards the northeast, trying to mix in Shawano, but right now it has looked mainly wet on the our Shawano camera, and our Shawano temperature is still at 39, so it's going to be tough, even with snowflakes falling at 39. If snow starts to mix in, it's likely going to be melting on contact. Sturgeon Bay camera, you've seen some light showers to the north in the Door Peninsula, but really nothing at Sturgeon Bay so far. So we have this little batch of snow that's mainly been confined to north central Wisconsin throughout the day. Currently 39 in Green Bay and 39 in Fond du Lac, and then you can see that cooler pocket of air right over the north central parts of the state, and that's where they've been seeing the snow. So a wider view shows that snow pretty much in place. Another reinforcing shot of cold air driving across the central portions of Canada. So we have this first front that moves through. A couple of scattered showers, especially early tonight. Then a break and mostly cloudy through much of the day tomorrow. Another wave of low pressure moves by. That drags in snow when the colder air is in place overnight tomorrow night and into Friday morning. Then that shifts off towards the east, and then a secondary cold front really brings in a cold punch for the weekend. 43 for the high tomorrow, 33 for the high on Friday, and then 24 Saturday, 24 for the high on Sunday, and it stays cool most of next week, a high of 33 on Monday. Here's a close-up look at it on Future Track. You can see the snow and the rain kind of breaking up between now and midnight. A couple of flurries out northwest, even into tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy through the day tomorrow, and then overnight tomorrow night into Friday morning, some light snow moving through. Snowfall amounts pretty minor for most of the area. Most of it's going to come down tomorrow night, but northwest sections could see an inch or two, especially up in Langlade, Forest, and Florence counties. For tonight, light rain showers, kicking over to some light wet snow for northwest sections, 33 for the low. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, some light snow overnight, 43 for the high. That light snow continues into early Friday morning, otherwise partly cloudy, and 33 for the opening of gun deer season, 24 for the high on Saturday with mostly cloudy skies and a stray flurry possible. 24 also the high on Sunday, and a cold tailgate Sunday morning. Partly cloudy skies though, but boy, temperatures probably in the teens for tailgate, and then 33 on Monday. And my winter forecast is going to be tomorrow on Fox 11 News at 5 and 9, and I'll let you know how much snow you can expect this season, how cold it's going to be. This is a named storm. Winter Storm Alice is moving this way, and we're all going to see snow. It's going to be a fairly significant snow, but this is really a pretty moderate event that we would typically see during the winter here in Wisconsin. Most of our viewing area will end up about 6 inches, I think, by the time it's said and done. A few areas will end up a little bit closer to 8, especially along the lakeshore in Manitowoc and Sheboygan counties. And as you move northwest, amounts will drop off. Right now, the snow is over Iowa, Missouri, northeast Kansas. It's really centered on the Kansas City area, which is really what the models were suggesting for right now. The models have been doing very well with this storm for days, and it looks like this storm will continue on a path right up across the southern portions of Wisconsin and right into our area. Currently, We're at 26. Things quiet at this point. Winds out of north-northeast, 13 miles an hour. Not going to see any snow until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. Then we're going to see the snow pick up in intensity through the overnight, and it's going to snow pretty heavy through the morning hours tomorrow. That's when we're going to see the bulk of the snow between, say, 4 a.m. and about noon, I think, is when the heaviest snow is going to fall. But the latest computer models are indicating that the intensity isn't going to be quite as bad, that it's just going to last a little bit longer. High temperature tomorrow around 24. Severe weather index in the high category. We're going to see snow. Another problem with this storm is that the temperatures are cold. Winds are going to be strong, so you get that drier snow. So it's going to be blowing around quite a bit, especially through the day tomorrow. So Winter Storm Alice arrives overnight tonight. Snow starts after midnight, even in the far southern portions of our area. For Green Bay and Appleton, it's going to be more like 2 a.m. We'll likely see 2 to 3 inches overnight, another 2 to 3 inches during the morning hours tomorrow. But the light snow is going to linger all the way into Monday now, it looks like, and we'll finish off between 6 and 8 inches. Most of the area probably right around 6.5 inches by the time it's said and done as we head into Sunday night and during morning hours on Monday. With the fresh snow cover on the ground, it's really going to knock temperatures back. Average high this time of the year, 27. We'll see highs mainly in the teens with just a couple of 20s peppered in over the next week and some more snow on Christmas Day. Right now, 26 in Oshkosh, winds north-northeast at 16 miles an hour. Wind chills currently at 14. Across the state, not a lot of snow being reported as of yet, but they are reporting snow in Superior. The rest of the state seeing temperatures in the mid-20s. But there's a dramatic temperature contrast. It's 68 right now in Cincinnati, 53 in Memphis, 70 in Atlanta, and you can see out ahead of this storm, it's drawing a lot of warm air and humid air northward for this time of the year. That is kind of getting wrapped around into the cold portion of the storm, which is what you're seeing back here, and it's that snow and the snow that's developing that's going to be lifting towards us and sitting on us during the overnight hours. Watch this on Future Track. Has the snow moving through around 2 a.m., continue with snow through 6 a.m., heavier snows especially tomorrow morning, and then it moves out. And the snow will taper down to light snow showers and flurries at times, but it continues overnight Saturday or Sunday night and into the day on Monday, especially the morning hours on Monday before things start to calm down. So you can see the snow moving in. Snow continues heavy at times, especially late tonight and tomorrow morning. And then it's just going to be light snow and flurries. We're just going to put ticky-tack amounts on it all the way into Monday, where we pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches once the heavier snows stop. Winter storm warnings in effect for most of the area. Winter weather advisories out to the northwest. So the snow is going to accumulate maybe 2 to 3 inches by 7 o'clock in the morning, up to about 5.5 inches by kickoff tomorrow afternoon. After that, we just kind of tack on another 1 to 1.5 inches all the way into Monday afternoon. So for total snowfall, 6 to 8 inches for most of us, 4 to 6 for northwest sections. You can see Green Bay, Appleton, Oshkosh, all in that 6 to 8 inch range. You have to work out towards Shawano, where it drops down to 4 to 6, Anago about 2 to 4. For tonight, snow develops. Heavy snow late tonight, 21 for the low. Tomorrow, snow and blowing snow. I think blowing snow is going to be a problem with this storm. Heavy in the morning, 24 for the high, and then on Monday, light snow showers continue. Monday's high 19. If you're heading to the game, it's going to be snowing during tailgate. Lighter snow for kickoff and post game, but still some blowing snow around the area. And the snow, as I mentioned, continues into Monday. Monday's high 19, and then 12. A lot of sunshine on Tuesday. Another storm moves in, and right now it looks like we'll pick up a 1 to 3 or 2 to 4 inch type snow on Christmas Day. So snow expected for Christmas. It'll be a white Christmas, definitely. 23 for the high Christmas Day. And then 13 Thursday, 8 on Friday. With all the snow on the ground, as soon as the clouds clear out, we'll see cold temperatures. If you see sunshine when you wake up in the morning, it's going to be cold over the next week.
Wow. So you get to open presents, play out in the snow, but the parents, they might have to work a little bit.
Yeah, there might be some shoveling.
And you mentioned the blowing snow, so that's going to continue to make shoveling a problem and clearing the roads a problem as well.
It will, but good news here is that the winds really die down overnight tomorrow night. So I think the blowing snow is mainly going to be confined to the day tomorrow.
All right.
Thanks Patrick.
Now, here's your forecast first from Fox 11 severe weather expert Patrick Powell.
Not much happening around the area tonight, but we are going to see a nice mild day tomorrow and then some drastic temperature changes heading into tomorrow night, and likely a little bit of light snow late tomorrow night and into early Sunday morning. Right now, though, things are quiet across the area. Temperature is currently 32. Skies have cleared out for the time being. We should see Some cloud cover come back in during the overnight hours, 23 and partly cloudy at 7 a.m. and then 30 at noon, 34 tomorrow afternoon. Severe weather index in the low category. A mix of sun and clouds expected for the most part throughout the day tomorrow. And then the Arctic blast begins late tomorrow night and into Sunday morning. As that front moves through, could see a little bit of light snow, especially on the backside of the front. So overnight tonight, temperatures not dropping all that far, and tomorrow temperatures still climbing back into the low and mid 30s around the area. Then we start to slide off tomorrow night, and then the front moves through and the slide just accelerates as we work through the day on Sunday. Temperatures Sunday morning probably close to 20, by Sunday afternoon closer to 10. Appleton currently at 32, winds out of the west-southwest of 14, wind chills currently also 22, and temperatures around the area and around the state show mainly low 30s and partly cloudy to mostly clear skies through much of Wisconsin. So really a pretty quiet evening across the area and fairly mild for this time of the year. Watch future track temperatures though. Tomorrow, high temperature lower 30s early in the afternoon, and then we're going to see that Arctic air start to sag southward. Temperatures around 20 at 7 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, and then falling through the day back into the single digits as we head towards Sunday evening, and then overnight Sunday night into Monday morning, far into the negative single digits, negative teens for north central Wisconsin. And during the day on Monday with that fresh cold air blowing in, temperatures don't warm very much. We barely break zero by Monday afternoon. Radar right now, fairly quiet, a little bit of light snow in the eastern sections of the Upper Peninsula. We've seen a break in the clouds work over eastern Wisconsin. There are more clouds upstream that are going to start to work in here later on tonight. So look at it on future track shows. The cold front stays north of us tonight and through the day tomorrow. It's this next storm system that drags the Arctic air in. We'll see a little bit of light snow very early on Sunday morning, and then windy and sharply colder heading into Sunday afternoon. Close-up look shows kind of a mix of sun and clouds over the next 24 hours. The Arctic air comes in tomorrow night. For tonight, mostly cloudy and 23. Tomorrow, partly sunny and a high of 34. And then on Sunday, a high of about 20, but falling temperatures throughout the day back to about 12. We'll see some flurries in the morning. It will also be windy with winds gusting as high as 30 miles an hour. And for folks that are either watching or traveling to the game in Chicago on Sunday, temperatures at kickoff around 25, but falling in Chicago as well back to about 20 with some snow flurries at times, especially in the early portions of the game. 2 for the high on Monday here, and then all of next week, including New Year's Eve and New Year's Day and January 2nd, are all going to be cold with temperatures sitting in the single digits. Matter of fact, some of the computer models are indicating, and it depends on exactly how the jet stream aligns itself in the Tuesday-Wednesday period, but some of the computer models are indicating we might not even get back to zero, and then we could see lows closer to minus 20. So right now I'm being optimistic that that jet stays a little bit further north and we don't get into the deep heart of that cold air.
Yeah, not just unpleasant, also dangerous. Really.
Seriously dangerous. And for folks planning on going out on New Year's Eve, the temperature might be near minus 10, so it's going to be very cold.
All right, thanks, Patrick.